you like your dinner?
Yeah.
What is it? It's what?
Sandwich.
What kind of sandwich?
Sandwich. Cheese.
Is your hair in your face? What'd you do today? What did you learn at Shells?
Paint.
Paint? You painted? With your hands?
On my shoes.
On your shoes? So it was the time that she was not aware when you were painting, right? Did you get in big trouble? What did you paint? Not gonna tell me? All right.